Greeting. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at WordPad and how we can actually use WordPad. So if and when you realize you don't have any Microsoft Word document on your computer, you can actually use WordPad to type document and insert photo. But how can I really get this WordPad? Where can I find it? So I'm going to be guiding you through this particular area. Right. So the first thing that I want you to do, to get it, you're going to come right here in the search bar. We're going to click right here. And let's click, you're going to type Tableau, right? And there you go. This is a WordPad. You're going to click it. So notice, you're going to come right here and open it. Right? You notice it looks exactly like Microsoft Word here, but it can have a slight difference. What can we really type here? All right, we're going to see if we can type here. We're going to say my name. It is Mark. Here. So we see exactly so that we can actually type, right? So we're going to click right here. We're going to press enter. Notice you can go down the page. We're going to block it. We're going to see if we can actually format it. You notice if we come right here, font, care bodies, we can actually click here. You notice we can actually change the font size. If you come right here at 11, you can actually change it to that here. If you come right here at the big A, you can actually pick it up. So realize you can actually do the same thing in the WordPad like within the Microsoft. You can actually bold it right here. If you come right here, so you can actually give it a color, just like that. Here, you can actually center it. Right, you can justify it and all of that. So these are some of the stuff that you can actually do. You can actually put bullet, you can put numbers and all of that to it. Right, so very important here. So, and you can actually put science equation right here. So 8, 2, 2. Right, so I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna block it 2. I'm gonna come right up here where it says subscript. You notice I click right there. You notice, and if I click right here, I will say 45 meter here, and then I'm going to actually block only, and then I'm going to come right here and click. If you notice, I have the 42 millimeter square right there. Right, it's very important. So we can actually do some of these stuff. Right, but can we insert on this? All right, yes, you can come right here. Set picture. I'm going to click. All right, just set picture. So when we click now on that particular section now, go right, it take us to the desktop here, right? And if you notice, let me scroll up on this section here where scroll bar is. Click on the desktop, we see find any picture right there. All right, click on add folder. We're going to click on open. All right, and there you go. Some picture right here. We're going to click. We're going to click on open, and there you go. This is some photos. So if I click on it right here, I can put the cursor right here. I can actually draw it in like that. Notice I can actually size it in just like that. Right? So therefore, this is how we actually do it. Right, so I can actually go back up with it. So that's why I actually put in the photo here. So it's sure that you can insert time and date, or you can actually draw right here. So these are some basic stuff we can actually do here in WordPad. Right, so very important. Right? So what if? Can you really see the WordPad? Yes. You can come right to your file. Right? If you notice it, have similar to like Microsoft Word, you can new, open, save, and save as. You come right here, show some different here. You can actually save it in. So if I come right here, and rest text document, notice bring up right here, window. You can come right here. I want to save it directly on the desktop. Right? I'm going to put a name to it. I'm going to put my name to it. And I'm going to click on right here. Right? So I'm going to close this right here. Right? And there you go. This is it. You notice it look exactly like the Microsoft one here. Right? You notice this is Microsoft one and this is WordPad. If you notice this one right here, right? And if you notice this, totally different. Right? So if I come like this now, what now? So this is self. Right? You notice what it look like? Right? So very important here. Right? So this is exactly how you do it. So I hope you have learned something from this video.